Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Dumelo, also known as Greg Royalty _ King, the landlord. So guys, today I'm doing another unboxing video. So let me show you. So this is the package I got from CeraVe for my first campaign. This is my first campaign, influencer campaign. I've never done any campaigns before, so yeah, this is the product that I'll be doing a video on TikTok and Instagram. So I'm only doing this video, but I'm gonna post this video after I've done the campaign, after I've posted and after they've approved the campaign. So yeah, this is my first campaign for the year 2026. So I've been wanting to do campaigns because I've more than 16,000 followers on TikTok, and then 5,000 subscribers on Instagram, 1.8k followers on Instagram, and then Facebook I think is 5 point something k followers. So I hit up a friend, linked me with a friend, and then who was doing campaigns, or who is she's still doing campaigns, and then she recommended that I download an app called Humans, and then I sign up. Then that's what I did, and then yeah, I got my first campaign with CeraVe. Unfortunately, I didn't turn on my notifications for that campaign, and then yeah, I couldn't see the updates and stuff. And then by the time I opened the app, the campaign was already finished. So I basically didn't pay attention to it, which was a bad thing. And then yeah, this time for this campaign, they hit me up on that app, Humans, and then they said they would like me to be part of the campaign. And then I accepted the offer, and yeah, here we are. I received my products today for the video. So I'll be doing a video for TikTok and for Instagram. 1 minute on TikTok, 15 seconds on Instagram. But I'm only gonna post this unboxing after they have approved my content for TikTok and Instagram. Then that's when I'm gonna post this unboxing on YouTube. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to open this package with me. I don't know what it is. I know what it is, but I don't know the packaging of it. So yeah, let's open it. So this is how it looks. It's CeraVe. So this is the cleanser, this one, and then this is the treat, and then this one is the pimple patches. So yeah, the blemish barrier patches. So yeah, blemish gel, and then blemish control cleanser. So control cleanser, it's a blemish control gel, and then it's blemish barrier patches. So this is the main focus. I think it's the new product, but yeah, sorry about it, I'm not really sure. So you guys are the first one to see how it looks inside, not me. Do it for you. So this is the packaging, this is how it looks. This is nice. Absorbs oil in just 3 hours. This is nice. Their packaging is nice online. So yeah, this is the blemish control cleanser. Then this is the blemish control gel. Then this is the new product that they pushing, which is the CeraVe blemish barrier patches. So yeah, so basically, so this is what I'll be doing on that campaign. So yeah, but all of this I'll do it, I'll post this after I've done the video on TikTok. So yeah, this is how the gel looks like. Then this is how, I don't know if you guys will see, but yeah, these are the patches, the blemish patches. Here they are. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to do on your skin, so it absorbs the pimples. So I already have spots that I've identified that I'll use in my campaign. So yeah, this is what I've done so far, and then yeah, I'll post it for approval, and then yeah, after posting it for approval, we'll wait and see. If they don't approve, I'll do another video until they approve, basically. So yeah, so this is what I've got. And yeah guys, after I've posted this video, please go on my TikTok, please go on my Instagram, like, comment, share, just engage, right? Don't disappoint me. You can't disappoint me now. Don't disappoint me, please. So yeah, just wanted to do this video to show you guys, but other than that, it was just an unboxing of my first campaign. More to come, hopefully. Yeah, we can do this, guys. We can do this. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.